Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another exciting video on Accenture's Learning Modules update. So what you can expect in this video? I will be talking about whether you have received cloud or Java, how Accenture actually differentiated students and, and how they are giving you the cloud and technologies or Java technologies. And we will also be talking about what is the difference in the learning program for ASE and FSC. Though you have not received your offer letter, you have been sent this, right? The learning module. So what about offer letter? When will you receive it? So these are the some things that I want to talk in this video. So if you are interested, let's get started and do watch this video till the end to know more about this. So let me quickly open my email and talk about that. So people have got this around 12 p.m., 1 p.m. or 2 a.m. Right? So this was all that you got. Basically, I got this on 29th June 2:41 a.m. Right? So this is the welcome mail stating that your pre-onboard learning program has been opened. Like you have been given the uh, credits. Now you have been given the accessing parts. You can check out you have been selected for the pre-onboard learning program on Java technologies. So here comes our first question: how they are differentiating and how are they giving the Java technologies and cloud technologies? As far as I considered and as far as I have researched, if you are from 2020 or 2019 pass outs batch, you will be given cloud technologies, and if you are from 2021 year of pass outs, you will be given Java technologies. So you do not have an option to choose it by yourself, but Accenture has their own criteria, and they are giving this, whether it has Java technologies or cloud technologies. And I'm even not sure that it will be given only for 2021 pass outs. They might have their own criteria, but as after researching it, as I've got to see a lot of people from 2020 pass outs and 2019 pass outs, they got cloud technologies, but most of the 2021 pass outs have got only this Java technologies. So let me know in the comment section below if you are 2021 and still got cloud technologies or not. No? You have to get Java technologies according to the research I have done. Let me know in the comment section below so that whoever watches this video will come to know that even if they are from 2021, they may get cloud technologies as well. So this program will help you be code ready in the industry. So what is in it for you? uh, they will be giving you 20 or 45 days right from the receiving of this link. Now if you got this link at 2:41 a.m. today, right from that time you will be given 45 days exactly. The timer will be going on. You have to complete in within 45 days. That is expected here. So you will be improving your ability to solve learning a critical factor in your career growth. These all are something not that significant here. So you have to complete this within 45 days right from receiving the link. Now how to access the course? Now they will be giving you your email ID as your what we'll call the username, and they will be giving you a password. Now you have to click the link that has been given in the same email, and if you click that link, that will take you onto the dashboard of Accenture, where you can see something like this. The Accenture's dashboard will be, this is for someone who is for the role of ASC. Now you can see this is the dashboard for ASC. You can check out the logic development, analysis and design of algorithms, software engineering concepts, OOPS and Java programming, RDBMS, web technology, Unix and JSON. So these are the 9 modules that has been given for ASC profile. So if you log on to your account, you will be getting like this. But if you want to log into your account, you have to first change your password. Once you have logged in with the email ID and the password they have sent you, they will ask you to change the password. So write your new password and re-enter the password and click login. Your password will be saved. Now next onwards, whenever you want to log in back again onto the website, you have to use the changed password for logging in. That is important, guys. So this is the ASC profiles learning modules. Now let me show you the learning module of so apart from the previous one, you will also be getting this one. Now this is for guys, FSC role. Now apart from the previous course, you'll also be getting these modules, which is logic development, design and analysis, and some other things. These are not clearly visible. Git, okay. about 8, no, 8 plus 9. Okay, 16 plus 17, up to 17 modules. So if this was on, at least some was same. As I've got to know, there were about 16 to 17 modules that you have to complete in this if you are from FSC profile. The remaining will be same, like the rest of the modules that I have shown in the previous slide was same for ASA and FSC. But for FSC, these are the extra modules that you have to complete. So what is in your next question? As I mentioned, what about the offer letter, though you have not received this? Though you have received the pre-onboard learning modules, what about the Accenture offer letter? As even I have not received the Accenture offer letter because I have submitted my documents, but one document I got a mail stating that insufficiency. We have to submit the original mark sheet. For one semester, I did not submit the original mark sheet. So they have asked me to submit it again. So I have submitted it and it's been about 7 days or so, but still Accenture has not approved it. They have, that was in stage of only submitted stage. No, they have not approved it, but they have sent me all this. So what you can understand from this, even some of your things are not completed. Like if they are even in the processing state itself, there are chances that you will be moving on with the rest of the people. So even if my documents were not at all, all of my documents are not approved were not in the approved state, still I've been taken for this stage, which is learning module stage. Though I have not received the offer letter, I have been on to this stage. So this is the one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that even if you have not completed some of your document uploading process, documents uploaded or not, you will be moved on into the further stages. At one point of time, they will definitely check out the remaining things, like whether he had submitted or not, whether he had given the assessment or not, whether he had completed the modules or not. These all will be checked, but that might be delayed. But please do not delay things. If you can complete them, do complete it. There are people who cannot submit their original mark sheet of the last semester, like the 6th semester. Then you don't worry much about it because you cannot do anything right now. You can raise a query on the platform, you can send them. But please be patient, and if you have the capacity to, like if your colleges can give you the original mark sheet, go and ask them to provide it so that you can upload it. But don't just delay them as that Accenture will be taking care of it, it may call me back, I'll be given another opportunity. Don't just think like that. Only in cases that you cannot do it at any ways, if there is no alternative, only then you just neglect it and you go on with the remaining task and all. But I don't recommend you to delay everything over here. uh, as I mentioned in the previous video as also, Accenture will call you if you are unable to cope up with the process, like if you are unable to submit the documents, if there is some mismatching in the documents or like that, they will definitely call you. Even during the mock assessment, they will call you. If you are not giving the assessment, they will call you and ask you, why are you not giving the assessment, like that. Mock assessments, even for mock assessment. So these are the things that are happening with Accenture. Please be patient, everything will be fine. And if you have any other questions, you can feel always free to ask me in the comment section below, or you can also mail me on my Instagram, or you can connect with me on my LinkedIn. I will definitely accept all your connection requests on LinkedIn. So after this, how to access the course I have mentioned, right? Let me pass this because my credentials are available in the next part of this email. Okay, now you can see, guys, we'll be conducting an assessment on these modules before you onboard. So before you onboard, this will be conducted. As I mentioned in my joining letter video, right, I will be providing the link in the description box below or in the I button. Guys, you have to watch that video which was mentioning the joining letter thing. I have mentioned most of the critical things in that video, where even if you did not complete, if you even did not give the fundamental assessment, your joining date will be given. This was happened to my friend. She did not even give the fundamental assessment, but she was called for the joining. She was given the joining date and the location in her mail. I have shown all of that in the particular video, so please do watch that video, guys. Now what is in it for you? As I mentioned, if you complete the assessment, you will be given 10,000 rupees. Here they have mentioned that only if you complete this before joining. You have to complete the learning modules. That girl has completed the learning modules, but she did not give the fundamental assessment. So completing the learning assessment is necessary. So do not forget about this. Only if you complete this learning assessment and if you clear the fundamental assessment, then only you will be given 10,000. But if you want to get your joining, you have to complete these modules. So be part of the discussions given, participate in the quizzes, and if you have any query, you can raise a query or you can report a query for your technical support and all. So here there is also one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that there have some plagiarism. I've checked this, guys. Let me, yeah, here it is. See, also please maintain the confidentiality of the program details, including your user ID and password. So do not share your user ID and password with anyone. So there are chances that you will be caught under plagiarism. So please be, don't give your answers to everyone like that. You can give the answers, don't worry. We will discuss in another particular video where we'll be talking about the answers and how not to get caught under plagiarism and all. I'll come back with another video where I need your response for that. Please let me know, will you give your response or not in the comment section of this video, so that we will discuss more on that, and I will bring another video on the answers for this. Only if I get a very good response in the comment section below, I will be back with that video. Okay, keep in mind it, and talk politely in the comment section below. So that is all about this, and please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, again on my Instagram, and also send a connection request on my LinkedIn. I will definitely accept your connection link list. I have provided the handles, links in the description box below. You can scroll down and you can find all my social media handles like my Twitter, Instagram, and as well as LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions, ask me in the comment section below. I'll definitely make a video for that. Thank you, guys.